Hello little kids. Today we will learn about farm animals. Farm animals live on farms with farmers. They give us milk, eggs, wool and help in work. They are our helpers and provide food for us. Hen, a bird that gives us eggs and lives on the farm. Goat, a playful animal that gives us milk. Cow, a gentle animal that gives us fresh milk every day. Horse, a fast runner that people can ride on. Sheep, an animal with soft wool to keep us warm. Duck, a bird that swims in water and lays eggs. Camel, the sheep of the desert with a hump on its back. Donkey, a strong animal that carries heavy loads. Buffalo, an animal that gives us thick, healthy milk. Turkey, a big bird with colorful feathers and a loud sound. Goose, a bird that swims in ponds and honks loudly.